Non-bank lenders just grew their housing loan book 47% in 5 years, more than 4 times faster than insurers and leasing firms. 7 of Korea's 11 coin market exchanges haven't executed a single Bitcoin trade in 2 years, yet their asking price just quadrupled. A new report says 99% of AI agent payments now settle in dollar stablecoins, and Korea has no won-based alternative ready. And Kakao Bank's union just launched a work-to-rule campaign, refusing overtime and holiday shifts. It's Thursday, August 13th. Let's break down what's happening in Korea's financial sector. Savings banks, credit unions, and other deposit-taking non-bank lenders have been expanding real estate lending faster than regulators can track. Meanwhile, Korea's crypto exchange licensing system is exposing a gap between paper compliance and real trading activity, just as AI-driven payments start locking in dollar stablecoins as the default settlement rail. And labor tension is rising inside one of Korea's most profitable digital banks. Here's what the numbers show. Non-bank deposit institutions' housing-related loans reached 144.56 trillion won, about $102.1 billion as of March, up 47.4% from 98.10 trillion won, or $69.3 billion 5 years earlier. That's 4 times faster than insurers and leasing companies, whose housing loans grew just 10.9%, from 236.80 trillion won to 262.65 trillion won, 167.3 billion to $185.5 billion over the same span. Non-bank housing loans jumped 22% in the past year alone, and their share of total household lending rose from 29.9% to 44.5%, a 14.6 percentage point swing toward less regulated lenders. 7 of 11 coin market exchanges recorded 0 Bitcoin trades over the past 2 years, yet their asking price to sell has quadrupled, from 5 billion won to 20 billion won, about $3.5 million to $14.1 million. A hashed open research report finds AI agent payments settle 99% in dollar stablecoins like USDC, and warns Korea needs a won-based stablecoin before that lock-in becomes permanent. Kakao Bank's union began a work-to-rule campaign on August 12th, refusing overtime and holiday shifts after wage talks stalled, even though average pay at the bank already tops 100 million won. So what does this mean for bank analysts and compliance teams watching Korea's financial sector? Earlier, we said non-bank lenders are growing housing loans 4 times faster than insurers. Here's what that actually means for you. Regulators are watching a shadow banking-style buildup in real estate risk that sits outside the tightest bank-level oversight, and the next macro-prudential rule is likely to target savings banks and mutual finance co-ops directly. The VASP numbers point toward consolidation, since a license with a rising resale price and near-zero trading is a compliance liability regulators will eventually clean up. And the stablecoin data is the clearest signal today. If 99% of AI agent settlement already runs on dollar stablecoins, Korea's window to launch a won-based alternative before that lock-in hardens is closing fast. That's today's AI Prism Finance Daily. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI Prism is a Won IFRA award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.